Hey guys, it's Nate with Skid Steer Solutions, and we had some hedge trimming to do around the property here, so we figured we'd bring out the Eterra 9-foot sickle and show you guys how this thing operates. We've already done a pretty big overview, so this one's mostly going to be a demo portion, so let's get right into it. Alright guys, so that's going to be the demo of the 9-foot sickle. We do also have a 7-foot version as well. If you guys have any questions or want to learn more about this product, feel free to visit us at skidsteersolutions.com. We're happy to help out and answer any questions you might have. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos like this. Have a great one.